What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Sundown Audio unofficial YouTube channel. My name is Derek, and here we are working on Project SPL. It's time to sound deaden. So we kind of already got started. I forgot to turn the camera on, but I got the camera rolling now. So we're gonna do a little how to install Vibraflex. So stay tuned, pay attention. We're putting in some work here. All right, here's the #1 secret to installing Vibraflex. Heat. You have to cook this stuff on. It takes a lot of heat. It's not gonna happen with a heat gun. If you're using a heat gun, you're already failing. You have to get a torch. Get one of these small torches. They're not that expensive. You can pick them up at Lowe's or Home Depot. You have to torch this stuff on. All right, so this is the stuff we're working with. This is our Vibraflex. It is thick, it is heavy. It is nothing like traditional full back sound deadener, and it doesn't apply anything like it as well. We're doing the roof right now, and it's a pain because this stuff is heavy, but here's basically what you want to do. You want to take some kind of heat source. It can be an external heater, it can be your torch, it can be a heat gun, and you want to basically heat the stuff up a little bit to get it pliable, about the consistency of chewing gum. Once you get it pliable like about chewing gum, where it's a little flexible, that's when you want to install it. Oh, and don't forget, clean your surface panels first. Surface prep is always very important. Just doing a little preheat right now. Getting it soft and pliable. Yeah, see how I can bend it real easy? I don't want it so soft it's gonna stretch and fall apart in my hands or be too hot to touch, but I want it just soft enough I can play with it, manipulate it, get it mounted up here on the roof. All right, so now I got my piece stuck up here. Sorry, I had to put the camera down while I was doing that. Now that I got my piece stuck on the roof, I'm gonna roll it on real good, make sure it's stuck. Yeah, I'm holding the camera, so I'm just giving you an example of me rolling. I'm not really rolling. I'll do it off camera. I'll go back and roll this really good. But once I get it rolled really good, then we bring in the heat. We're gonna heat it up, get it soft, roll it some more, heat it up, get it soft, roll it some more, and then we're gonna cook it.
You being here tomorrow too? Because I might be here tomorrow.
Tomorrow late?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be here.
Alright. I might say tomorrow late then. I'm going to go to the gym today because I went yesterday, so that's 2 days in a row, so I give it a break. That's kind of how I try to do it. Oh, you're fucking recording me. Oh my god.
It's cool.
Oh, what the fuck?
All right, so I got this piece stuck on. We got it roller good. Now it's time to cook it. All right, when you're cooking this on, you're gonna see it change texture. Cook it till you're almost boiling the stuff. You're gonna see the texture change. If you got the kind that's got wrinkles or pattern, anything to it, you're gonna cook it till that pattern starts to go away. If you're not, you ain't putting it on right. Make sure to wear gloves because this stuff gets hot. You can see me using my hands, hitting it on there. Don't be afraid to use your hands, your fingers. Just wear gloves so you don't burn yourself. You'll notice as I'm heating it, as I'm torching it, it's getting soft. Since we're doing the roof, gravity's gonna pull it down on us, so I'm constantly having to heat, get it soft, and go back, mash it up with my hands. Right now, as it's cooling, I'm gonna continue to pound it, roll it, get it up there. This stuff, the way I describe it, after you superheat it and then it cools, it's like forging. It's like it just gets super hard, and you just gotta believe it to see it. All right, guys, out here in our warehouse where I have a spare truck. I've had this one for a while, since I had my old mini truck years ago, and it's basically just a parts truck. It's another identical four-door Blazer, just like the one we're building. It's always nice to have a bunch of spare parts, but I figured I would come out here and show y'all what the factory roof is like. So, see if y'all can hear this on camera. That's what the factory roof is like. If y'all can, I don't know if you can see it flexing out here. So now let's take a trip over to the deadened truck. All right, now we're here at Project SPL. We're gonna hit on this roof. Now you're still gonna hear the back of the roof make a little bit of noise because none of that's dead, and we're really worried about the front because it's gonna be a walled vehicle. But yeah, it ain't moving at all. So all that noise you're hearing is coming from back there. Some of this is, you know, you can see, hear how bad that is. And then up here, way different. All right, guys, so to wrap up this video, the #1 secret, the big key, in case it hasn't come across yet, but what you have to do to install Vibraflex properly is heat. Heat and patience. You have to cook this stuff. I mean, cook it. If you're not changing that texture, if you're not changing the shape, you're not putting it on right. I've had guys say they put it on with a heat gun. You didn't do it right. I've had guys say they preheated ahead of time and they rolled it on. Well, you're not doing it right. You got to get it on, get it soft, apply it, roll it down, then go back and cook it. I mean, blast it with a torch. You have to do that. And yeah, if you're not doing that, it's going to fall off. It's not going to work correctly. I've had so many people say that the Vibraflex is garbage. It doesn't work. It doesn't stick. It doesn't do anything. Well, in every instance, you didn't cook it on. You got to cook it on. You know, obviously, you can't put your whole car in an oven. That'd be nice. But you got to cook it with a torch. Get the torch. Very important. So hopefully this covered everything. If not, let me know in the questions, and let me know in the comments. Put any questions you have in there. I'll make another video if I got to, if this didn't get everything across. Vibraflex, cook it. That's mainly what you need to know. But keep in mind, if you like what we're doing here on the channel, give us that thumbs up. Click that like button. Like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, guys, I'll see y'all then.